Dear students, in this class we have to the another topics, that is BA thread profile. BA thread profile. This profile is similar to BSW thread profile because both having V-shaped form. See, in this figure, this is the V-shaped form. But actual crest and root are rounded in shape, as in the case of BSW threads. That is, uppermost part crest is rounded in shape. Similarly, at the bottom surface also rounded in shape. These are in the case of BSW threads. Both BSW threads and BA threads, crest and root are rounded in shape. Next, what do you mean by BA? The expansion of BA means British Association threads. British Association threads. Here, its angle is 47.5 degree. Its angle is 47.5 degree. Where in the case of BSW, its angle is 55 degree. So, this thread is a supplement of BSW thread. Supplement of BSW threads. Here, all parameters are marked here in terms of pitch. Due to this roundness or round off, we can reduce the stress concentration at the top and bottom. Stress concentration at the top and bottom. So, this thread have more better life in the field of applications. That means BA thread mainly used in electrical and instrumental fitting applications. So this is the main characteristics of BA threads. BA means British Associations having rounded in shape at crest and bottom. That means crest and bottom are rounded in shape. Its angle is 47.5 degree, and all parameters are marked here. Here, capital H is marked with a value. That value is 1.136 into pitch. Similarly, actual depth is marked in terms of pitch. That means 0.6 pitch. And uppermost cut-off section, conical cut-off section is marked is equal to 0.1236 H. Here, H is the constant. Similarly, at the bottom surface also marked with the same value, and its angle is 47.5 degree. The uppermost crest diameter is called D. Similarly, there is an imaginary center line passing through the in between the crest and root. That diameter is called pitch diameter, and there is a line which is passing at the bottom of the root. This is represented by the letter D3. These are the parameters. Now we have to draw the BA thread using minidraftet. See how can draw that thread. In the previous classes, we have to first, using this parameter, we have to first draw the 3 or more vertical lines, vertical center lines, keeping 100 mm apart. First, by using minidraftet, first you have to draw a vertical center line, keeping 100 mm distance. Now we have to complete 4 more vertical center line. Now draw another 4 more vertical lines, keeping 50 mm distance. That means 50 mm from the first. We have to draw another 4 more vertical lines. That value is 50 mm. Now we have to complete 7 more vertical lines keeping 50 mm distance. Now what is next? Draw a horizontal line connecting at the bottom of the vertical lines. Draw a horizontal line connecting. Now we have to draw another horizontal line keeping 113 mm from this horizontal line. 113 millimeter. Now draw another horizontal line keeping 113 millimeter. Draw another horizontal line here. Now we have to draw 2 more horizontal line keeping 14 mm at the bottom line and 14 mm below the top horizontal line. Now we have to complete 4 more horizontal line. This value is 14 millimeter and this value is 14 millimeter. Now mark its angle. Our thread angle value is 47.5 degree. Thread angle value is 47.5 degree. Now our thread included angle is 47.5 degree. What is the half angle? Its value is 23.5 degree. 23.5 degree. Approximately 23.5 degree. Using this value, we have to draw its angle. In previous cases, we have set our mini drafter at 40. By using this 23.5 degree, we have to draw an inclined line connecting these two lines. Similarly, we have to draw alternatively inclined line from here. See, there are 3 more alternative inclined lines here. Now reset your mini drafter half of the included angle in against direction, in opposite direction. Now our mini drafter is set 23.5 degree to the opposite direction. Now draw inclined line from this point to this point. Now we have to complete a V shape of thread profile. Now in the case of BA thread, crest and root are rounded in shape. So we have to rounded crest part using your compass. Similarly, at the bottom surface. Similarly, now we have to complete our upper and lower crest and root. That means rounded in shape. Now we have to draw hatching line. For that, set your mini drafter at 45 degree. Draw 45 degree inclined line, keeping 3 mm gap. Now, next step is to mark the parameters related to BA threads. This distance is marked with the letter H. This height is marked with letter H. Similarly, the actual depth is marked with H3. And this value is H by 6. And 3 more diameter are marked here. Thus, imaginary center line is the pitch diameter marked with dp. This imaginary center diameter is marked with dp. That means pitch diameter. And this is root diameter. And this is major diameter d. D, dp, d3. And its parameters marked here. All parameters are marked here. Value is shown at here. Then we have to complete our BA thread profile.